Hey, I'm so glad you're all here right now. I'm James Smith and I'm with the Boy Scouts here, and I'm so glad to see all of you out here. This is exciting. How many of you have been in Cub Scouts or have a family member that's been in scouting? Oh, cool, I love it, awesome. We're going to do a great recruitment event where you can join. And you know, when you join scouting, we're gonna have fun, because that's the best part of Cub Scouting, is having fun. We're gonna go camping, we're gonna go fishing and hiking and ride our bikes, and I know you're gonna love that. Let's watch this video and check out what Cub Scouting is all about.
Hi friends, my name's Kevin and we're here today to talk to you guys all about an exciting program called Cub Scouts. And we want to find out if all the fun things that we do in Cub Scouts are fun things that you like to do as well.
I don't know how many of you have ever heard of Cub Scouts before.
Did you know that Cub Scouts is for boys and girls?
In fact, I just signed my daughter up to be a Cub Scout. And I was a Cub Scout when I was little.
We're giving you all the information so that you can join us in Cub Scouts.
A lot of our things happen in the great outdoors, so we do things like going on hikes in the woods.
I don't know if you guys like to play games, but we like to play games here in the Cub Scouts.
Doing crafts together. I know so many of you have got to love crafts.
We love to go fishing, we go on campouts,
And play in the dirt and get gross and dirty outside.
When we go on those hikes with our friends and family, we're always looking around for cute baby animals and lots of great things out in the wilderness.
we also like to go fishing, catch really big fish, and eat worms. Just kidding about the worm part.
And when we go camping, we always make a big, bright campfire, and we sit around that campfire with all of our friends, and we tell scary ghost stories. Nothing too scary, I promise.
We roast marshmallows over the fire with our friends. You know, like those really cool, sticky, gooey marshmallows.
But when we're not outside, we get to work with Legos and slime. We go visit the police department and the fire department and do all kinds of super cool stuff.
We get to build race cars and boats and rockets and then race them against our friends.
And we do tons of other fun activities.
If all of these things sound like fun to you, go home and tell your grown-up that you want to sign up for Cub Scouts.
You can be a Cub Scout too.
You can find us on beascout.org and find your local Cub Scout pack today.
I hope you enjoyed that video, because that just gives you a tip of the iceberg of the fun things we do in scouting. I'm right here right now at one of our camps called Camp McConnell, and in the background is the Merced River. We got the camping site with the trees here, and it's fun. We do camping here, we go fishing, we go hiking, and you know what? Cub Scouts is for both boys and girls. So I want you to take a look at that flyer you have in your hand. Take it home to your mom or dad and say, hey, I want to join Cub Scouts. That meeting's only going to be an hour, and I know they'll want to come with you when you do it. And if you come out to that meeting, we're going to give you this special patch just for coming to the meeting, and you're going to play some games. We're going to have some dessert afterwards. It's going to be fun, because that's what Cub Scouting is all about.